Got the fire going good. Burning wet wood. We're about to remake the inside of this bad boy. Alright, so we got a decent little padding. Alright, let's put serpents on these bigger logs through. Alright, that should be good. You got one over there already done? This one's just gotta go back.